Hello everybody. Good morning. How are you? I hope you all are fine at home. We all miss you a lot. You must have seen in my earlier videos of chapter number 1 to 6. Okay? I hope you are cleared with those concepts. Today in this video, I'll be teaching you the chapter number 7 as this is the last chapter. The name is How the Wheel was Invented. Okay. So when the wheel was invented, it was invented in the early period by the early humans. Now let me teach you what did the early humans eat, what did they wear, how do they hunt, and what are the things they invented. My dear children, I'll be teaching you what were our early humans. Yes, right. As you can see, our early humans were the apes, the early men before they were the apes. Then day by day their brains were developed and they were a little bit advanced, and then they could walk erect and they were tall and they could walk erect like a human. Finally, our humans were our early men. Okay. Our early men were apes. Then day by day they developed themselves and they transformed to humans. So early period they were apes, then they turned to humans. Okay. So what are the tools they used for hunt? Because to live a better life, so what do they eat? So they used to eat the flesh of the animal and they used to eat the roots and fruits which grow in the forest. Okay बेटा, जो जंगल में रूट्स और फ्रूट्स होते थे वो वही खाकर जिंदा रहते थे और फ्लैश खाते थे एनिमल्स के. सो वो कैसे शिकार करते थे? यस, दीज वर द टूल्स विच दे यूज फॉर हंटिंग. ओके. नाउ कमिंग टू द क्लोथ्स दे वोर. व्हाट डिड दे वेयर? यस, दे वेयर द क्लोथ्स विच वेर मेड ऑफ लीव्स. पत्तियों से बनी हुई ड्रेस बना के वो पहनते थे. और द एनिमल्स विच दे हंट, जिन एनिमल को वो हंट करते थे जैसे कि डीर है, लायन है, उनका जो फ्लैश निकाल के वो खाते थे. राइट. और जो स्किन थी वो स्किन ऑफ एनिमल से वो अपना क्लोथ्स बनाते थे. ओके. दे यूज्ड टू वेयर द क्लोथ्स मेड ऑफ लीव्स एंड दे वोर द क्लोथ्स मेड ऑफ skin of the animal. Okay. So what did they do in the early period? वो क्या करते थे? शिकार करते थे. और उन्होंने कैसे बनाया अपना टूल्स? They made of stone age. In the stone age period, they made the tools made of stone. Accidentally, एक दिन क्या हुआ, जब एक इंसान दो स्टोन्स को ऐसे ऐसे रब किया, फिर क्या हुआ, अचानक एक स्पार्कल निकला, आग की एक छोटी सी चिंगारी निकली. और क्या हुआ, वहां पे जो ड्राई लीव्स पड़ी थी, सूखिया पत्तियां पड़ी थी, वो सब क्या हुए, उसमें आग लगी. तभी उसको पता लगा कि आग भी होता है. तो बाय दिस द फायर वॉज इन्वेंटेड. ओके. ड्यू टू द रबिंग ऑफ द two stones, accidentally this thing happened. So like this fire was invented by our early humans. With the help of this fire they used to cook their food. वो अपना खाना पकाते थे. क्या खाना पकाते थे? जो शिकार करके आते थे. Okay. The flesh of the animal. So they used to cook that food in this fire. And later they came to know like even animals were afraid of this fire. फिर धीरे धीरे उनको पता लगा कि आग से जानवर भी डरते थे. So with the help of fire they did many things like cooking, and they used to protect themselves from cold also, okay, in the winter time, and they used to light fire just to scare the animals, okay, animals को डराने के लिए उन्होंने फायर को लाइट किया, ओके, so by this the fire was invented, okay. Coming to the next one, what happened? So what did they eat during those periods? They used to eat roots and fruits. वो क्या खाते थे? Roots और fruits भी खाते थे. Roots मतलब क्या? Like potato, radish. Okay, these are the roots which they ate. And fruits तो पता है आपको, फल. वो फल खाते थे जो उगते थे. I have taught you like early people one day they saw a log of wood rolling from a tree. मतलब जब वो एक समय की बात है जब वो बैठे थे, अर्ली ह्यूमंस ने क्या देखा, लकड़ी का एक बड़ा सा टुकड़ा रोल करता हुआ नीचे आ रहा था. तो उनके अचानक दिमाग में एक आइडिया आया. आप देख सकते हो, आइडिया आया कि क्यों ना मैं इसके ऊपर सामान रख के रोल करता हुआ लेके जाऊं. आप देख सकते हो कि वो जब एनिमल्स को हंट करते थे, वो अपनी पीठ पे लाद कर उनको लेके जाते थे. whenever they used to carry the heavy loads, or that they used to use their bags, they used to carry the heavy loads with the help of their bags. At bags they used to keep the animals, that is the dead animals, okay. So now after seeing this log which was rolling down, so he got an idea, why not keeping the big stones and the dead animals on that log and just roll it. So he invented the wheel. So what did he do? He cut some राउंड पीसेस फ्रॉम द लॉग. आप देख सकते हो उन्होंने लकड़ी में से राउंड राउंड टुकड़े काटे थे, उनमें से उन्होंने व्हील बनाए. उसके ऊपर लॉक्स के 4-5 लॉक्स को इकट्ठा करके टाई करके, एंड देन ही अटैच द व्हील इनटू इट एंड इट मेड अ कार्ट. एक ऐसा बन गया, एक गाड़ी जैसे. देन एज यू कैन सी ही इज पुलिंग दैट हैवी लोड, okay, by himself only. And then you can see the pig where he has made the wheel, and this wheel invention nowadays we can see in many vehicles like bus, cycle, yes, a car, okay. In any vehicle the wheel plays a major role. So how was the wheel invented? By this the wheel was invented. Early humans saw the log rolling down. From this he got an idea, why not to carry the heavy loads on these logs. So he made the wheel. How? He cut the log into the round shapes and then joined the 4 logs or 5 logs according to his wish. Then he attached the wheels to it, and thus he made a cart, and he pulled by himself. So he carried heavy loads, and even people also traveled on this cart, and he used to pull. But nowadays these carts are pulled by animals like horse cart, bullock cart, as you can see, even the camel cart also. In earlier days, people were not advanced to use animals for such purposes. So he used to do by himself. Who? The early humans. He used to hunt using his tools like axes, spears, yes, and carry those heavy wild animals on his back. So now after inventing the wheel, the work was very easy for him. व्हील का इन्वेंशन करने के बाद उसके लिए काम बहुत ही आसान हो गया था. ओके, द नेक्स्ट इन्वेंशन वॉज द फायर. फायर कैसा था आपको सिखाया मैंने. यस, एक्सीडेंटली इट वॉज इन्वेंटेड. ही रब्स 2 stones like this, Then a sparkle came. Then he knew this was a fire. Then with the help of this fire, he used to cook his food. जैसे वो हंटिंग करके आते थे, वो फ्लैश जो मांस है वो फायर पे वो उसको कुक करके खाते थे. Okay, these were the two inventions. One is fire, other one was a wheel. What did he eat? He ate the roots and fruits which grow in the forest. What did he wear? He wear the clothes made from leaves and the skin of the dead animals. Yes, what he ate, what he wore, and how he hunt. What are the tools he used? What all he invented? Fire as well as the invention of the wheel, which is in this chapter. Yes, and he used to go from one place to another in the search of food. Yes, beta, I hope you are cleared with this concept of this chapter. Yes, thanks for watching. We would interact you soon in our Zoom online session and solve your queries over there, and we would provide you homework in our following group. Thank you.